Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. Your new chapter, this 11th chapter, Air Around Us, which we already started and we already discussed on the feeling of the moving air, and air takes up space. And we tried an experiment also, and hope you all try again at your home. So there are new point, that is air has weight. Air has weight. So here the also one experiment. First listen. Take two identical footballs. If you have footballs and any other kinds of balls, you can take same two balls. Fill air only in one football. As you know, the football has air inside it. So first one football you can fill up the air and put both the footballs on a balance. And here is the one picture. You can see that is the balance, and first one the football is, which is, you can see that is looking like big, and because it has air inside it, so both the football first take on the balance, and you see the football with the air that is heavier. As you can see the picture, this football that is filled up with air, but the second one that is not filled up with air, right? So that's why you can see this side of balance will be down. So that's mean that this, as the football has air inside it, so that means the football which is air that is heavier than the other football which has not air inside it. So that means that is the weight of the air. That is the weight of the air. So this experiment can show the air has weight. This experiment that proves that here air has weight. So here is you can try this also, but don't want to try this, so not problem. So that is the about the air has weight, and these things, if we have the balance, if we have the two identical footballs, so then we can try this experiment. That first of all we have to take two identical balls. One balls have to fill up with air, and others ball we don't have to fill up with air. If we put those two football in a balance, we can see that which has air inside it, that is much heavier than the others. So this experiment can show the air has weight. So here the fish takes in air present in water through gills. So that is the point. One point of that, the fish takes in air present in water through gills. Okay, so because the fish which they also needs air, as we need air, the animals also need air. So the fish takes air, which is, and that is they lives in the water also. By their gills they take the air in the water. Okay, so that is about the air around us, and the air has weight, and the next part we will discuss on your next class. Till now you have to read, you have to think about it. The air has takes space, air has weight, and the feeling of moving air. Okay everyone, so read this very attentively. Have a nice day and bye.